Hey guys, I'm back again with another video on this JBL Wave 100 TWS. I did a video almost 6 months back when it stopped working. The charging was not working, and I contacted the store from where I bought it. They told me that there is no repair policy for this one. You can get replacement if it is not working, if it is damaged during the warranty period. After that, you just have to throw it away. Yeah, and I did that video, and after some time, one of my viewers, he gave me this trick, and the trick is actually working, and you can see that it is charging now. Okay, let me show this. Yeah, you can see it is charging now. Okay, both of these are actually charging. The trick is very simple. What you have to do, first of all, you have to charge this charging case fully. After that, press the button of both the TWS, hold it for at least 1 minute. Better you use a stopwatch to track the time. Just keep them pressed for 1 minute, and after that, what you have to do, keep them under the case. And it actually worked in my case. You can see that it is charging here as well. Okay, so the trick is very simple, and it is working now. So I've got this back actually, and I'm using it. Before that, I had actually kept them under my door, and yeah, thanks to the guy who gave me this trick, and I believe that this trick is going to help those who are facing the same issue. And if it does, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. So till the next video guys, cheers.